What's up, Jefferson Multimedia? Let's take a look at my finished homework video. Mine clocked it at 1:10, so we're looking for short. Remember, we want continuity. We want each shot to match with each other the best it can. Don't ever forget the importance of this slider at the bottom. The more you move it to the left, the more thumbnails you get. And in a short video like this, I think the bigger the thumbnails are, the better. It lets you see what's going on, right? It lets you see where each shot ends, shot 1, and see where the next shot begins, shot 2. I found this little button right here is amazing. Adjust the monitor size. I'm clicking and I'm holding. Notice that my playback window is getting smaller. My thumbnails are getting bigger. So if you click and hold and play with this, watch the screen size change. Usually the playback window up here is just fine, no matter what the size. But we want to see our thumbnails bigger. So do not be afraid to do that, just to make things bigger so you can see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and play mine. You'll hear me talking in the background. In a second, I'll show you how to get rid of me talking and how to add music. Oh, there is one thing I did though. You see this little guy right here? I added a cross dissolve so it's a fade in from black. If you tell it to fade in from nothing, it will fade in from black. Remember, the lightning bolt is your transitions, so I just went to dissolve. I dropped it at the beginning, and let's see what we've got. Here goes. Alright, here comes our video. Remember, we want this to look like one continuous event.
Pull out the seat.
Yep, you hear me talking in the background. Show you how to get rid of that in a minute. A lot of people are asking, should we keep the part where we open the book? Yes, you don't want to cut anything out of the middle of the shot. You want to leave it whole so we can see every single thing, even though this takes a few seconds. This is the longest shot of the video.
Just grab your pencil and just copy a few notes down.
And then we start writing a little bit. And then we cut to the hand. And then we go back to the over the shoulder. Notice the shot's a little different, but it's not long. Then we cut to the extreme close-up of the book. I tried using the one where I do the camera move on the book, but I thought it looked cheesy. So we close the book. We put everything together. We cut to the second to last shot. Then we go out in the hallway. Turn.
Keep right on going. Boom.
And that's it. And then I added that cross dissolve at the end. 1:10 was my finished time. Let me show you how to have some fun with audio, because we want to get rid of the audio, right? Let's go back to the beginning. Yeah, in this case, I'm going to go all the way to the right. I want to make the video as small as I can because I want to show you a trick. This is the whole thing from start to finish, right? So we want to mute all of me talking. I found the easiest way to do this. Click, hold, select every single shot in the video so it all turns orange like this, right? Up here in the right, you're looking for audio. It's this thing. It looks like it has a heartbeat. So if I click on it, clip volume. You could click on mute, but I think I just want to take it and crank it all the way down. So right now it's set for 50, which is like the automatic setting, right? I'm going to grab this. If I move it down to 40, what happens? Turns it down a little bit. If I go down to 30, what happens? Guess what? A little bit more. So turn it all the way down to 0. And remember, anytime you want to turn something off, it's these controls. This is with the audio control on. This is with the audio control off. And you just click it and it goes back and forth and back and forth. Let's add some music to this thing. How do we do that? Click on audio, then click on browse. Alright, you've got several choices. One is called soundtracks, which looks like it's just full songs. I'm going to click on more. And the fun part, I wish they gave us more description of what the song sounded like. I listened to a few tracks and I found one called Paris Zing. Why did I choose it? Because it's a very chill song and this is a very chill movie. So, I want to add this to my movie, right? Yeah. I moved my playhead back to the very beginning of the first shot. Paris Zing. What do? Click on add. Alright, let's watch it and see how it works. Huh, okay, sweet. So it looks like the song goes past the end of the movie. What if we move it like back there? Can we split this audio track the same way we do? It's selected. I wonder what happens if I hit S for split. Yeah. I wonder if I click on that and click delete. Now, how can we fade the song out? That's going to be interesting. So it looks like we go back to transitions. Yeah. And then if we do a dissolve, if we add the dissolve to the end of the track, will it fade it out? Yes. I want that to be longer though. Stop it! So I'm going to play with my slider and we'll double click on that transition maybe? Oh, just make the time longer. What if I want to make it like a 2-second fade out? Can I do 2.0? Or close enough, something like that? Yes, it looks like it works. I would make it even longer than that. What if I want to... I can go 3 seconds with my fade out, yeah? If you can't see your audio at the bottom, you can click on this expand audio button and it will make it bigger or smaller, but that's all we need. So do me a favor, go through that audio menu, find your song, keep it tight. I could actually make this a little bit shorter if I wanted, but for the sake of this tutorial, I want to post it and get it on YouTube. So this is the final step. Let me know when you're done, I'll grade it, but do me a favor. Have 2 friends check it before me. Make sure your editing is tight and everything matches up. Because how many times do I grade things? Once. How do our grades get messed up? Usually we don't even watch our own work to know if it's good or not. We're in such a rush to get a grade that we get a bad one because our work is sloppy, but we don't even take the time to look at it. So go slow. Don't be in a rush. I'll grade it. We'll get it in Power School. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.